hoverbike is the result of years of research and development. We combined the freedom of a helicopter with the simplicity of a motorcycle to create the world's first hoverbike. Developing a hoverbike is expensive and challenging, and we need your support to make this a reality. The hoverbike flies like a helicopter, however it is rugged and easy to use. It represents a whole new way to fly. We created a 1/3 scale hoverbike drone to test a new quad aerodynamic concept. Our drone will allow you to see and feel just how it will be to fly the full-scale hoverbike, and will help with raising the funds needed to bring the hoverbike to market. We have moved to a proven quadcopter design, and this is what our second-generation hoverbike looks like. Drones should be friendly and approachable. Our drone has ducts around the propellers that protect bystanders from the blade tips and allows us to safely operate near the vehicle. We designed a large payload bay that can be easily adapted for different uses, a real multi-purpose tool. We felt it important to keep drones fun, safe and accessible to as many people as possible.
Unlike other multicopters, ours packs down to a third of its size and be easily transported in our custom multi-use bags.
We don't think the world has seen yet just how useful drones of all shapes and sizes can actually be. The ducts come embedded with LED lights for brilliant nighttime flying. We and our large community of supporters around the world are really passionate about the idea of cheap, safe, airborne transportation.
With your help to back this project, we can continue to develop the world's first flying motorbike. With your help, we can take another small step in the evolution of flight.